So I just went to a concert in the Royal Albert Hall. I'm coming to the Royal Albert Hall again. Today is morning. Slightly different vibe. But today is a great one because it's going to be Chopin and I think Tchaikovsky. And my friend works here, so today I'm going with him. Real situation. I had to wake up at 8 because I had to wash my hair. So I went to the normal door, but apparently I need to go to some sort of VIP door. I just went to my local. It's not even my local, it's like a 20-minute walk away from me. But I had to pick up this baggage. Oh, look, the moon. It's so beautiful, it's already out there. And I just realized that this local, it's one of those news agents that has food and stuff. It has a lot of really nice gourmet products. So happy I can fit into these jeans. They're not short like that, they're long jeans, it's just they're flared and they're all over the floor, so I have bunched them up a little bit. But these are a size 24 from Made in Heaven, and they run so small on the hips, because on the leg it's actually fine, but the hips are like tiny, and my hips is kind of like one of my biggest parts. That's it, I'm having the strangest experiences with jeans lately because J brand, they're huge on my kind of waist area, upper hip area. So they're good when my hips are where my hips are the biggest. But in the other places they're huge. I don't know. It's like my body keeps changing.
I saw the keys to the kingdom, I heard.
I really like this guy, and they're selling his prints here. I'm at Rio Cinema. Because I guess he's from East London, but he has the funniest ideas.
Keys to the kingdom, I heard a nightingale moan. I watched the wings of an angel as she was flying back home. I saw hope in a black sky. I made love on the wind. The way that I did that day, it was a magic moment.
I'm in such a weird street. I guess because this is central London, so my Pilates place today, I'm trying this thing where I'm discovering new studios, and I'm coming to Bootcamp Pilates in Strand, so it's actually in this little back street. I got these shoes which I wanted to show you. They are by Stuart Weitzman. I put a link down below because they don't have a lot of inclination, which I need for my feet. And they're alright. I mean, they're not like walking around massively shoes because they're very chunky and they're kind of heavy. But they're good. They're good for me. And I like that they're red. So we are looking for number 37 Charles Street, which is this street. And it should be, oh, what's that? That's weird. Is that to put your shoes on? I've never seen that before. Oh, seriously, who rides a Range Rover in London? It's just the most inappropriate thing. But this is a really nice street. Dude, don't tell me I have to walk another 30. We're still in number 14. That can't be. It was supposed to be right here. Google Maps is always so wrong. I keep thinking about the gin. It's gonna be so awkward because everybody's gonna be there for the gin, and I don't want gin. I just saw some really armed men, but like with giant bazookas. Giants walking towards me. It was like a movie. They were walking really slow, like they were walking towards something to shoot at. It was kind of scary. They were walking along this street. I guess this street has famous people living in it, basically. Okay, so I actually really liked the gin drinks. They had no wine. But I'm really happy because I didn't know I liked gin at all. And they had this one that was like a lemonade, but it had gin in it. I'm waiting for a cab now. And I got a bag, you know, one of these goodie bags. It was a really nice event. And I met all the representatives of Campari and the gin. It's a new gin brand, and they gave me, first I had the lemonade one. I didn't go overboard, I don't think. I had the lemonade, the one that was like a lemonade but with gin. And then I had a Negroni, and now, oh, that's pretty. And now I'm gonna go meet my flatmate. And this is me.
Magic moment, but I let it go. Can't say why. Can't say why. I can't say why. I saw the fire in the ice. I felt the rumble in the ground.